Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss what are the different advantage of DWC, the Development Cloud. So let's get started. In the previous topic we have discussed why we require DWC in our plate. Why, whether it is what's the advantage, what's the replacement of BW or not, will it replace the native HANA, what is the use, what might be a use case, all of those. Let's we go to the 8 the benefits of data version of cloud which generally we get from the DWC which might not be available in our older system. So let's get started. First is the low TCO or the total cost of ownership, which is known as TCO. So once you come in the data version cloud, it's coming up with your different APIs which help you to attach with different source system into DWC. Some of the cases those might not be available in our DWC or Tivana. Number two is not required to staging the stuff in your own system. You can directly use the data from the source system. So that is also a plus point which will reduce the data footprint, and after all it is reduce the total cost of ownership. Let's improve the speed and performance. Why so? First of all, it's a cloud-based solution. So once you required, you can go for a more processing power, and you can record. If not required, you can reduce the processing power. Depends upon that, your processing power might be fluctuate up and down, and that can be scheduled so that once in a very busy time, once your business is running, at a point of time you can have extra processing power which help you to improve your performance, which and it is a cloud advantage of obviously. If you install your BW in cloud or HANA in cloud, you can do it. But here it's cloud based solution, so that's why you have it's much easier to implement those stuff. Number three is a streamless self-service capability for the business users. So if you are familiar with BW on cloud or database on cloud, it is a very seamless and business friendly solution. So anywhere, if with a very limited knowledge of your technical knowledge and the enriched business knowledge, a business user can go and able to create his or own model, which may cut down or reduce the development time a lot. The business will be empowered. They will be empowered enough so that they can go and create new things, new experiment. They can create their, they can change, they can create and change their models, so on. Okay. More secure data. So cloud, nowadays cloud is a secure storage, and you can secure the data. Even it's much more secure. Uh, Security, you can implement highest level of security over here. So that is the security part. I don't want to go in details on that. Increase the data storage. So as it is a cloud solution, so you don't have any boundaries on data storage. If it is on premises, so in that case there is a boundaries on, like you have a limited capacity of hard disk, you have a limited capacity of RAM, you can have a limited capacity of primary memory, which is not no more constant in the cloud solution. So as and when required, we can increase those capability a lot in a second, or just in a quick call, right? Improve the access and integration. Access is a supply the solution, so no VPN, nothing. And you can access all over the world, any point of the world. So the access is really great thing. You will get all the advantage of clouds, and the integration adds a cloud solution. You always provide a lot of APIs that we have already discussed in a interface chapter. So it can be integrated, or SAP system can be integrated with literally any of the systems, okay, which was not earlier available. So that is a biggest advantage, I would say. It's a better disaster recovery. Why? Because it's a cloud solution. So cloud solution always having a better. I would say it's a property of cloud rather than a property of DW. DW on cloud. DW data version. The cloud having a very strong disaster management system, the disaster recovery system. So which is imposed here as well. The disaster recovery is really very strong. You can leverage the cloud and cloud elasticity. So as usual, why we are going for cloud? Because there's a lot of elasticity. Like you can it's scalable, a huge, it's a robust solution, it's a scalable solution. You can scale up to n times, I would say, and that is a advantage of cloud. And you can also leverage the cloud. So those information can be leveraged, those can be elasticity, those stuff can be done. So that is one of the another stuff I would say. Okay, so cloud advantage. So those also you'll get over here. So this is the specifically the 8 benefits like what I have found in data version of cloud. So hope you enjoyed the discussion. Thank you.